Cheese check. $25 for one. Oh, cheese check. $25. Much? $25 for one. Much of them you want? Alright, $50. Thanks, here? Alright. Cheese chips, bag juice and cheese chips. Bag juice to quench your turn. $25 for one. Could I give me one little thing, man? This one hot enough. Bad
For other day, I don't like how your face looking. I really don't like how your face looking. All your skin, like a baby, you might have beat around here.
You don't even understand. A peer problem. Mommy just stress me from what everything I mean. She beat me, come. Right now, I just want to give up.
Don't give up, man. I still have money, man, and make sure you say, oh, you're good and take it for around this.
Good girl, where are you, son? Come back here, son, to me. Come back here, son, to me. Let me see how long you have to wait for you. Come back here, son. Stand up. Who him? Who him, me say? Trevor. Then, you know no ambition. Look at you. Shameless girl. Look on him type of man them where you take up. Eh? Where you turn up on the roadside they do? With man. Stop bring out here now. What you do? Turn up, little girl. What you feel say? You feel say you're a big woman? You turn up out here with Miss Jai's son? So how long it since you watch to him? Turn up! So little girl not here, man. Me say if you stop from ring up your hand so.
I'm a friend.
Your friend. And he well arms up around you so. And so friend go. You know what kind of hands up them you bring? Eh? You can't mind pick me. Look for the boy where they chat to. This a little dirty broke pocket boy here. Look for the boy where you chat to. Look for this a boy here. This a dirty foot broke pocket boy here where you want to come take up. Look here man, me no want no more broke family. You understand? Me have as much broke family. No put him in our family. Me and Miss Joyce a friend. Me no want you fit there with his son. All when me and her a friend. You walk please now. Come go in here. Come go in here. That should have just back. Now that me do your fingernails them for you. You see you look nice? Very pretty. Me do your toenail and everything and me do your hair. Right?
That's me.
And you're the big now you became a big woman because me see you do certain things for another day. So me notice you have boyfriend. But anyway, the boy that when me see you talk to, me no like that kind of boy there. You need to talk to man. We're responsible, ambitious man me they talk. Look for me when me I talk to you. Man we have money and car. Me no want no uncared man on me yet. No bicycle man. You understand me? Man we drive expensive car. Me not talk a cheap one them. Because if you make no little poor man breed you, me no know how me and you go manage. Because you know, in a real life, let me tell you something. You see, certain things happen to me, you know, in my young days. When me pregnant with you, I was 17, now you're 16. And you see what happened to me? Me no want to reach you. Me get pregnant with few dirty pooper when me did pick up. Cause me think him a did somebody. Me think he could have helped me, but he couldn't help me. He tell me lie and trick me. And me get pregnant for him, so me have to stay with it and suffer. Me couldn't take it no more. Me have to left him and go pick up another man. But the nether man is just the same like him. It never better. So me get pregnant with your sister. So this thing is going on and on and on and on. Me can't take it no more. My life end up in a sufferation. Be a stress. I am a single mother. Me struggle a lot for mine, you know. Me not have no man to help me nor nobody. It is very hard for me. Alone. Now you turn 16. Me feel so you have to get a good man. Man with money and come in here so. Me no want no broke pocket man in here. You understand me?
But me love Trevor.
You love Trevor? Trevor? You look a dirty football when you see with. Trevor a broke man. Me no want a broke man in my family. A time for we come out of poverty. Look good man with have money. Ambitious man.
Yes, mommy.
I hope you listen everything what me just said to you. I hope you take in here and learn a lesson. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, one on the kitchen for and black bag on them and send him some of his up. I will make you a smile, so.
So me can have one man too.
About your one man. Look for you to about your one man. You know your age? Your sister bigger than you.
So I had to take care of man.
You're not ready for man yet. She a big girl. She can go get man. She can come take care of you. About your one man. At 10 I go be the breadwinner in your soul. If you want to go to college at the money with 10 carrying a hit a figure send you. Me want you to stay as a virgin. You understand? So anything you want at 10 they go look the man and carry come give you. Happy balling man. Happy balling. Why party face? You know say I love you already. You know say I love you man. You are my best that time. You know. Here? When your big sister go down and Jai say I'd feel something, I already call her. So when she go down there, when the two of them go down there, matter of fact, when you collect the something and carry come there, make sure someone still long and watch her.
Mommy.
She chat to no idiot man do.
Ready.
You can't wait till see me later. You know, come go on down the road with her for me down so for the city. And make sure someone come back on time. Remember to watch him if you chat to no little dirty butterfoot boy. Better make sure you chat to somebody with your money.
Big party in the summer. Social distancing.
Browning! Wow. Browning! Jesus. I tell you. Browning!
Awa! Me don't want a broke man.
You don't want no broke pocket man. I say you go on with me. How you go on to Browning? Might look broke but me have something in my pocket.
Keep it. Me wish you the best. Wait for me now.
you call me? You never did talk to man. I'm tired. I can't see I can't no back. Walk up out of the no. Guys, no girl. Why? But you know we get. There we get. And we from tell me say what left me. We from me. Alright, come on. I thought long come on. I carry me back good. Come on. Time me say I'm not tell long for more. So I carry bag. I carry bag. Nah, bag girl. You know the moment you cut out. You can't go on your partner for you. I'll leave me and me alone. A long mouth. More long like the dog. More long. We are palm from them say I want to. We are palm. We are palm. Come on. I say no, we get into me. Me not high. Don't tell me care about me, please. Me not care what I do. I talk on. What's that long of your mouth too? If I'm going to say that, I'm going to help you look for work, guys. You guys can help me.
Can't get down in the must get shorty. Shorty!
Yes.
Come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Where you go? What you say?
You know, say me I want $2 and buy
Sit
something.
there, man, calling my sister. Alright. Now, go down there so we didn't say, mother send me out to him come back.
Alright, now we're paying right, sister.
So far, man, to him come back. See me?
Alright.
Alright.
Now wait, you know.
Get up, girl, and come on.
Up, boy, to the green field here, right, cup. Ta-da.
And the way people them this so long time I say no them children there I know them can't come. And just idle. Gone for the work, must have gone waste time, I don't know where them do. Call this choice. I don't understand how they not take so long to go. Hello. Yes, Miss Joyce. How are you doing today? Yes, man, I'm fine. Thank God I'm alive and well. Anyway, a long time now me send them picnic they down there to you. You know see them? What? Them come long time and leave. But me not see them. Lord Jesus. I wonder which part they in there now. And we hope they know you know no problem for the road, you know. Because the people them some of them drive so bad. Hope no problem, no problem. No problem now. Go on today in the name of Jesus. Anyway, me go walk go down on the road and look if me see them. Alright, me can't believe so they left from fear yard. So long I know they don't reach here, so something wrong. We have to go look for them. Alright, anyway, little more. Yeah. Yes, man. We make it know if I no problem or whatever. Alright, thanks. Yeah. And only picnic ever put parents in a problem. How long you send them down on Miss Giles' yard? See, they no easy at all. Them a blood pressure, them a stress, them a problem. You can't take them picnic. You can't take them. Wait until I hold the 110 it. My biggest one, he should have know better. Go! 10. Wait until I hold you. I'm gonna like I do one things. And me run things don't run me. Look at girl, where you did there?
Mommy, 10 let's talk to one broke pocket man. You know what let me tell you, if you come on and you know what come on, me run and left him.
10.
Oh, bless him.
They talk to man.
I'm broke pocket man.
Come show me which part you there. You need to talk to no man.
No,
Make sure you're not talk to nobody.
I want man out there, mommy, and I can talk to man. See me come there, mommy.
Where you in there?
Me have come on, me have to tell her wait for I got that talk.
Wait for me. What if you have a moment when I'm meet her down there, so?
Where were you?
I chat see
Susie,
broke
me
man.
still on a weird pan.
Where did they?
And the boy left me.
Come on. Put on in the yard. It's a make me pick up. Y'all, it's a make me pick up ground. And it's right before you reach your things in here.
I chat see broke man.
Everything on me. Me. 10. And this a baby come sick. Baby sick. Baby come and tired.
Trevor, where you coming from? Where you coming from?
Mommy overrun them, did them, mommy.
Me not tell you say if you stop go people yard.
Mommy, true, you have a game over there, mommy. I'm just go over there.
Where you not have for yourself, you leave it alone. Suppose you go over there and mash up the people them game. One game costs 2 because you go want one for yourself and you have to buy back the people them game. You think say me never have all of the lick them store up for you? You fit here.
Mommy.
Come back around here, sir.
Mommy.
Leave people yard. Don't get people yard. Come on here. Come back here, sir.
Sendiri lagi ni aku. Saya aku. Saya aku. Sami. Mami kama mati mami siali miyam Sami. Wakage tira mana ako lang mo. Wala ba ako play mo kang mami boss asam. Nagyan ko di beda since di remember.
Everything is their life.
Okay. Clean up that.
You will allow me now?
Dali pa.
Oh, that kitchen now.
Nah, mas kayo po.
Come on.
No, ma, I'm biscuit outside the kitchen.
You know that kitchen and just love me alone.
You threw the water in my
Mommy,
face.
I never knew me think of Susie.
May I-
Come tell mommy that Susie.
What? What?
What happened here, son?
Back
You
to me.
hold the throw the water for me?
Mommy, I never mean.
And who throw the water for me?
Susie,
Now go
me that
feed
try
them.
your black and come in and a perfect me
Me
and
no
then
come
like clean up.
in. Shut up with me. Me come in and come see you and me not see you and Susie have anything. You throw water in my face.
See
You
belt,
come the
yeah.
woman now. Me the belt. Why you throw water in my face? Susie, you not have no manners. Eh? So you can't take man now. You start take man now. So you're ready to fight me. You're ready to fight me off. Eh? You know you say Hannah, your mother and your father so that your place may belong. Eh? That's why bad listener take me. Take man now. Take man now. You take man now. You big woman. You say you big woman in the answer to Hannah, your mother and your father so that your place may belong. Eh? No manners. Manners. Go back and wash up your face. Oh, Todd, I'm bright.
Can't look for that father bar, mommy.
Oh, Todd, I'm bright. No manners. Put that water in my face. Turn around and tell me that you're sorry. Apologize.
I'm sorry I never you big and Susie. See, look there, mommy.
I know that. Do it again. Do it again. No, wash it plate
Go
then.
rest, go slow and rest, mommy.
Todd.
I'm gonna give you no.
Let me come back around here, you know. Don't wash it plate then. I cook the food. Let me come back around here and the plate, you know, don't wash. And you cook the food and you'll be see. You feel one
Eat more.
wash the plate then. You little and rude now what? Watch me and you.
Look there.
Little girl, look what happened?
What happened? What I do?
What happened? You see nothing happen? What happened now? There's something that talk to you from them. If you look that way, I do try to distract
And
me.
she, mommy, and give me ugly face.
Ugly face. But man, you see a little lie. You tell like my little sister, you cool lie.
Yes, mommy.
Cool lie. You tell her, stop tell lie. You're cool lie. You stop tell lie. But they run it so it means, but make me come up around here and this face up.
Tired one.
Get back and look at this man.
What you bust on the back? Bust on the back.
So you don't want to carry it.
In that even holy, and me alone I carry everything.
Next time then I carry bag.
Tired, you carry nothing. See what I over there upon me. Me tired, no man, I have to wait. Carry then. I carry no. Let's go to mum. Come on with the bag. Let's go to tell the life why.
Don't tell her life on me, no?
Don't tell mum.
Don't tell her that time. You don't care, don't tell mommy say leave me with the bag.
You turn up with the bag. You not move. You're a woman. You turn with the bag. Watch me, ayo. Chat off you more. Like him a woman. You alright? Watch me, ayo.
Alright, go down go tell life. One.
Mommy.
How long been sending you out? Where your sister then? How are you?
And then told me I'm belly up the road. I don't want him to carry back.
What do you mean thump in here?
Told me I'm belly up the road. I don't want him to carry back.
Where your name have?
So he want to give me what I back to carry and he walk well left me. And then me drop it back and run come down so he might be carry up.
So she thump in your belly? And she licking in your back too? Wait then. They go straight up your road right now. Which part of your road in there?
You have a parent shop.
Alright. Sit down right there so me soon come.
Alright.
Pussy asses from man, me send out that girl them. like a big woman. How long me send you out? 10-10. 10-10.
Mommy,
Wait. Asleep, you asleep?
me not sleep.
So what happened when I can sit down on the roadside? Me not send you out.
Susie left me back alone for me and me tired and me start doze off.
Where you lick Susie for?
Me not beat him, me no. I never put me in for
You not lick your sister?
No, mommy.
Lord Jesus. Little girl make you lie so.
Mommy, me
Eh?
never lick Susie. Me
Get
never
up.
lick.
Get up. What happened to you? Me send you out from morning, you and your sister. She come home and you no come home. What your problem?
He left me with the bag alone and the bag heavy, so me have to take time and come with the bag.
You not lick your sister in her belly and in her back.
No, mommy.
You not lick him in her back and in her belly. From morning, me send you. Take up your bag. 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 You're too outside. Take up your bag. Come guy your yard. You're too rude. From morning, me send out you. From morning, me send you. From morning. Guy your yard. Guy your yard. You're too rude. Guy your yard, man. Backside. Outside. One like you a big woman. Send out you. You beat up your sister and get on road and hide you.
Me too.
Guy your yard. Guy your yard.
Me alone, me carry bag, mommy, me
You dey run. You see for me and you. While I could not big woman before time.
Yes?
Give me a minute, they come here, I want to talk to you.
Come.
Chase,
Yes.
good evening.
Good evening.
You know, so me know you a long time.
Yes.
We are come from far back, way back when.
That is true.
Me come to talk to you about your son. Him won't leave my daughter alone. And me don't want him get my daughter pregnant.
Me go call him and me go talk to him. I know so me grow him, you know, and him father, him get it from.
Me not like it, Joyce, and me not want me if have nothing fake or pitney because sometimes children make parents in a problem and me not like it.
Sorry for me son behavior and me apologize for him behavior. But me hear say you down there I beat up your daughter them. Right? So why you beat them like that? You not afraid they get in trouble. You be go to prison for that.
You know, say one of them me a beat. I know it two of them are
One?
just one. And me not spare no rod and spoil no child. You understand?
You will go to prison.
Prison. The judge will understand.
Okay.
Alright, me gone.
Trevor!
Yes, mommy.
Come here, come here, let me buy you one patty.
Where's that, mommy?
Come here, come here, let me buy you one patty. Come my favorite son, come here, the yard.
Come here, no, see me I watch TV, no man.
Alright, come here, the yard, you go back and watch TV.
Come, give me a must see
Look here, stand up right here. Cherry, come and make a complaint to me. Say you won't leave our daughter alone.
Mommy.
Why you won't leave Cherry daughter
Mommy.
alone?
Cherry a liar.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes.
Cherry a liar. A baby beat down there beat off in daughter.
So she beat off her daughter then for you. To you, why she beat the daughter or she beat the daughter for something else?
Me don't know, you just a beat the girl for nothing. You want to see girl and mommy.
Mommy, go beat you for something. Me go beat you for something.
Push me, baby. Come. Just say hi.
Kaya me tulad ng mami.
Me need to talk to you. Me I send him somewhere.
Sentente lang. Sando.
10-10.
What, mami?
Want you and your sister to go up a mass draw for some sweet potato for me.
Sentente lang, mami.
You hear what me say?
Yes, mami.
You want her to go up a mass draw for the sweet potato and now make me wait for you.
Yes,
You
mami.
hear what me say?
Yes, mami.
Anyway, where you get can from? You not going iPad?
I did call in iPad.
Go on there. Don't put it back in your mouth.
Me eat you no.
You take out can out of your pot and you give your sister none. So you sit down there as the bigger one and eat in front of your smaller sister and you give none. Give me the can. Give me. Don't eat no more. Let it go. Now go back in my pot. Out of that. Come on, baby. Eat your can. Come. Stop. Eat. Enjoy your can here. Alright. You know something love you already. Go back in my pot again and see what I do to you. Out of that. Don't take things we don't give to you. You is a thief. I ain't not reach no way. Later, I want ice cream for you, you know, mommy? Alright. Alright, baby. Me wait for you, you know. Me wait for you to put upper mass Joe feed the potato. So me wonder why you sit down there so long.
I'm not gonna go with me.
Take your can and go on with her. Upper mass Joe. Come, give me the plate. Take out the can and go on with it. Go on, get up, follow her. Help her carry the
Mommy,
can.
tell me to wrap up me head, 'cause it's time hot.
Wrap up her ear.
We're not gonna wrap up it on your ear.
Wrap up your
Wrap up it right here,
pull
so.
out it back.
To take care of your sister out of that. I don't like your style.
One.
One.
Ow, dick thing.
Take time with her ear. 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 One up here. One up here. Look how long me I wait for you. Eh? How long me tell us to go? Don't wait.
Wrap up me head, baby.
Pick up and go on. Out of that. Just kind of out there, so when you're not here, same way. Eh? Come on. Look here. You could be a...
Mommy, ma inna run. Run.
What? Run, me say. I take a stone and bust your head. Hold your sister on. I no go left him. Out of that. Let me wait for you, you will see. And you will see. You see you? Me turn up down here and wait for you. You come like your worthless pooper.
Oh, remember me? Remember me?
What is that, boy?
Where, mommy? What me money there?
Which
you
money?
promised me a check on that girl
Come
there.
up there, you never did that.
Come up where? You know, allow me to come give me money.
You see? See, you see?
How much is that?
Sir, one.
$350. That can't do. Me want me 2,000 now.
You give me 2,000 now. Why about you give me 2,000?
Get-
You see?
You take money from man.
Me not take money.
What happened?
He take me $2,000. He must sell me
Lie.
somebody fruit.
Yes,
Me and
sir.
Lie, my
Me and
tell
I go a green field.
Never happen.
Listen me. Me want me money not moving here. Is that they give me some of that or you giving me money?
You what? Me not no money, but anything should you promise me can't give you.
Alright, give me that.
Come.
Go on where I go.
You can go this way.
Mommy, take that up the road with the broke boy. Gone in a bush up the road. Come on, we go up there. Come on. 10, he broke boy. Mommy, carry one umbrella, can let rain and go fall. Mommy, come on.
In a bush.
Carry umbrella, rain and go fall.
Alright, me dad.
Come on, come on. Run no, Mom.
Me can't run.
See them a come. See.
I'm tired, me home.
Ten, Mom.
Hello. Little girl. Where they come from in a bush with man?
Tell them, Mommy.
Eh? Where they come? Eh? Me not. Go down in the yard. Take up it. Go down in the yard. Go down in the yard.
Tell me, Mommy, alone. get licked, Father God help me. If ever we take me life, Father God. Take me life and just take me life, I'm tired. Tired, me go kill myself. Can't manage it no more. Can't manage it, Father God.
You little girl, how you feel like? You feel say you're a big woman? You think you're a big woman? Hmm? So you want to come to workless like your workless pooper? Hmm? And that you want? You want to breathe for me? Hmm? The little dirty nasty workless poor boy when me see you with the broke pocket boy in a bush. How will him?
Yeah, explain, but you don't want listen.
Explain? You did use condom? You use condom? Me say if you use condom, you use condom?
You get no money.
You use condom? Me say if you use condom. Oh, you're so what? You want me to step in your gut and kill you? Let me pick me in there and kill you. What this? Good. Good. Go score out the bathroom. Go and go score out the bathroom right now. Get up. And when you're done, you pack up your stone them out there. So go score out the bathroom right now. Make sure you score out the bathroom and take up all of the stone them and put it out. Make sure and strip up the bathroom.
Tired of this. I'm managing no more. Every day I beat me. Every day I have something to do. I have a life for myself. I have a career. Nothing at all. Father God, me provide you take me. Take me, Father God. Just take me. If you don't take me, I go run from that place. Man, and the lady not giving up bag or nothing.
So you want me to carry two tools, me not help you. Three, you carry three, me carry one. For a power one.
Come now. Alright.
I know the 7 people. Wait, me see if you can help. Wait.
You can't hold.
Wait, let me try to set it something. I try
You can't hold.
Wait, let me set it something. Wait, no, push up your stomach.
You can't push up my tummy.
Push up your stomach, listen now.
You can't hold.
Since I say murmur, everything, come on, walk up. You tell me, say, you know, I can't see man down the road.
Can't bother, you know. Susie, this unfair, man.
Carry it. And then we get. I'm hungry.
And I will away eat it. Come now. Can't bother.
I'm telling you, I can't nice somewhere, you know. So just walk and come with it.
That's alright.
Mommy, you don't struggle with them, you carry them, you know?
Mommy, you never want me carry it, no.
Susie don't help me none at all.
Sit down right there. Okay. Alright, sit down right there.
I'm hungry. Mommy,
Yes.
I don't know hungry, you know.
Don't you tell me I'm talking, you know?
Shut up, Mom. I don't get nothing, yeah.
Wait. Take him on. Well, I cannot want him. I'm not so hungry. And make sure you stay on your mouth if you know your sister word.
Stop it there, stop. Stop it down.
Ten, come here.
You come, mommy.
Right now.
juice. You switch me juice?
Let's switch it.
Let me feel it.
Don't run.
You go in and come and me juice. Let me feel this then now. Come let me feel it. Come let me feel it now. You see how the white them make me like you know. I want to kill you, you see. Mommy, you see you just a poop up me, you know. You just a poop up me, you know.
Alright, break it up. Break it up, break it up, break it up. Hello. I want to go on yourself.
I'm going to be
We don't fight her, we don't
We are fight her for
You
yourself.
call me and me come in to you and she drink you all and me juice.
Get going, hold up your head. Will you drink or something, Jennifer? You drinking?
No, mommy,
You sure you're not drinking?
I think I need something for you. Let me come and find out.
You drink off your supper, Jen?
No, mommy.
You drink off your supper, Jen?
No,
So
mommy.
true, you're bigger than her. You want to take away from her. I saw no one else in this loud. That's a rude man. Take female and drink it back. Wait a minute.
Let me something in your file from
Drink it. Out of that. Why don't you so clean up your
Never
place?
drink it.
What clean up your place, man? You're too rude. Because you're bigger and you're rude like some little picnic.
a bad
You understand, no? Drink it, come. Drink it. Hey, come take up your rubbish too. Out of that. Go and take it up. Take up your empty box so you drink out. And you have to tap tail like. Go, you have to tap tail like, man.
I want
You can't come to sit down over there, son.
What you eat? What me do to you?
You don't know what you man, in a one good mood. Just go and go sit down now. You come poop on me, you know.
You know you're my sister, me love you. What make you eat me?
Love me.
What me could I do for you eat me so?
Stop poop on me, man. Stop.
So me can't have a conversation with you?
What you say? What is love?
You can calm down sometime.
What you say?
Come on, want to best for you 2 weeks away your sister.
Don't think about yourself. Me good.
Why you jealous over me?
That touch me now.
Me not have nothing, you know. Me have one sister. Me not have nothing over you. Why you jealous?
I'm not jealous of you, girl. What do you? When I stop poop on me?
You make me a beat me for nothing at all most of the time.
Because they are the things that boyfriend, I'm gonna have none.
I can't that. Everything me I do for your mommy because her mommy put me out of way.
Yeah.
And mommy, you know, we got have man and sign up for help out, you know. Cause we don't have nobody already. I just sit three away. You know what's between me and you? I just want a little boyfriend me want. And mommy want me have big man for the weed. And me never ready for that yet. But me still do it for me and you know, benefits out of it. Me not happy. Me I do this for you know.
Not touch me.
Me never want this, you know.
Not touch me.
Me love you, you know.
I want to come back and sit down. I want to stop it. Stop it.
No.
Sit down.
I am mommy.
Give yourself. Who is it?
A good boy, Trevor.
Trevor.
Miss Jai's son.
Oh.
Mommy said to give this. This is our wedding cake.
Tell her thanks very much. Yes, please. Alright, tell her thanks. Sorry. Excuse, sorry, later.
What I did, let me say
Tell her thanks. So excuse, you look like you're up to something. 10. You see that piece of cake here, Miss Jai send it to me. A wedding cake. Me no want none of the two of no trouble. You understand? Me I go put in a fridge. You're in charge. Take care of the place. Make sure so when me come back, the place tidy up. You hear me? Okay. Nobody no trouble me here. So alright then. Later. Get up and come here.
Later, mommy.
Later. And make sure so the place clean up. Come here, my baby. Come here. I love your hair. Mm-hmm. You have to behave yourself. Sit down. Sit down.
Mommy, the car. Right now, get up and go do what you're supposed to do right now. You don't see me make your broom touch me, but they couldn't say sorry. I said, never do nothing in the house. I long, mom. I tell me, say, take your broom with me, now.
Look how you do the chair, me just fit.
Stop bothering me, no, man. If I want to, you go over there, son.
Wake up. Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge? Where the cake then when me left in the fridge? Get up, get up. Me dey talk to you. Me dey talk to you. Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge? Me not tell you if you not trouble the cake. Why you eat the cake? I give me a talk. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Me dey talk to you. Looking at me big bulb behind you. Where the cake? Where is the cake? When Miss Jai's son carry up your come give me. Where the cake then? You see them big? Where the cake? Where the cake when me left in the fridge and eat me the ask about?
The fridge in the fridge, wrong cake.
I ran cake. So where the cake when me left in the fridge and me not see it?
Me don't know,
And this
mommy.
a cake here.
Me not eat no cake.
Not this Miss Jai's son can come give me.
Me don't know, mommy.
What the cake what that they do for your mouth? No you no you eat it. I want that for your hand. You eat it, see evidence there. Let me tell you so when time they left from you. Eh?
We must clean up.
No
Mommy,
eat
clean
it.
up.
No eat nothing when I give to you. That a thief, that a thief, that a thief, that a thief.
was about big home.
Open it and eat the rest. You near me till your belly full, you can't go no further. Finish it. What is your do? Open it, open it, open it. Open it and eat it. Finish it, eat it. Near me with your hand then, you don't want no far. Take your time, eat it. Take out teeth and eat it before me put and lick on your backside. Your 2 teeth. You not eat your piece, you have the woman. Get up and carry around the kitchen, go throw in the bin. You fit tap Frankie. Ask the things, get up. Tap Frankie. Tap.
$97? Hey! How much I get? Me I get 98 coming.
Everything not come out? So let me see it now.
He not come out yet.
Now one come, 97.
Show me I get 100. He not come out yet.
Hello? Yes. I lie. Result come out and your son getting 94. That sound good. That mean you when they do good in a school then, man. Result come out. But you know, so the internet slow. Cause my 2 daughters, them out there so pan for them laptop, you know. They wait for them result to come in. But you know the internet slow, man. It go down and it come up. So I wait a little bit more. Congrats to your son, ma'am. Alright. When the result come in, we will make you know how much my daughter them get to. Yes. Alright, they come on. Check up the fan. Alright.
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
I'm not coming in.
Oh, I'm not coming in.
Now one come in.
You want coming in?
Yes, mommy.
So, you're not coming in.
97.
Let me see it. Okay, 97. Good. Next time 100 you forget. Yes. See what I said?
Yes,
100 you forget. That good. You need to do better.
I'm not coming in.
Mommy, fear result come in. Me hear when he come in. But she don't want to show me. Come in, look, mommy.
Your result coming in?
Yeah, come in.
Your result coming in?
No, I'm not coming in.
You sure?
I'm not coming in.
Let me see where
Yeah, they're not coming in.
Let go. Let it go. Let me see. 46.
Mommy, I am with my homework. I even time.
What you do at school?
I am with the homework and help add up the grades.
Clear.
Mommy,
You
I
waste so much time or what?
Mommy, I am with my homework.
She not help you?
Nah, help.
Why you not help her? You don't know if you help your sister. Eh? You have to help your sister.
No.
You want to see your sister turn good for nothing, girl.
She don't want to help, mommy.
What do you mean she don't want no help?
She not ask.
You're supposed to help your sister. Yeah, little girl. Go and get like you have your little sister. You're not help it. Why you not your sister? And you know what? No dinner for you tonight. You're not get nothing for eat. You're not get nothing for eat. Nothing for eat. You too. Hey.
I can't sleep on the ground, mommy. Can't sleep on the ground. No. No, I am with my homework. So, mommy said I will get the ice cream and come to pass the test, mommy, please.
No.
Mommy, like how me get 97, me can get the ice cream, please.
I know that. Can't take it. Alright, I'm going to sleep on the bed.
See for
So you gonna take time now? Mommy. Yes. Which money? Me never take out my money, mommy. Susie a walk in front of me. I come where I come up now. Me I come. Susie! You take the money out of mommy purse?
I'm not telling money that mommy purse. I can't mommy purse at that about.
Mommy just can't
I'm not telling about no foolishness. Come on now. I can't go past that sister.
Surprise him, this friend me. Where you go?
Mommy! Where you go? What do you
How many pounds dollar there?
take me to $10,000, mommy?
I know you take out it.
Mommy, search me, mommy. Search me, search me. We don't have no money, mommy.
10.
Yes, mommy?
When me $1,000 where did in my bag?
Me no know.
10. When me $1,000 where did in my bag? No, you go in my bag to take out the money. Eh?
No, mommy.
Ah, who?
Me don't have no money.
Mommy, search him, mommy.
Yeah, hold on. Let me talk to you. And you me the talk to now. Where is the $1,000 that was in the bag? Who take it out?
Mommy, me no know.
You know, your Susie tell me say you take out the $1,000 because she see you with it. So
You
Susie,
have to clean your room, mommy. Me don't take out no money.
so Susie no see you with $1,000. Eh? You not have it.
No, mommy.
You're sure say you not have it?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, hold up your hand. Because some of no little young girl no thief for no parents money no take it push it down all in a Brazil. Who thief?
Search him, mommy.
Thief man. You and thief. No fit that thief. And no so me grow you. You thief me $1,000. Wait there.
Hey! Hey!
Hold on. 10.
See?
This look like $100 to you.
Mommy, me not know.
That look like $100 to you.
Mommy, me
Me
never take
$1,000.
See?
You take me $1,000.
Me never take you up.
Mommy, what is here, mommy?
Come back right here, son. Much time me tell us when they talk to you not to move. Come here. 10. I saw me grow you.
No, mommy, but mommy, me
Me-
never take it.
Little girl, when me they talk, shut up your mouth. 10. Me say if I saw me grow you.
No, mommy.
10.
Beat him, mommy.
You come and come turn thief.
No,
I shame you want shame the whole family. So you come to call down disgrace for me. Eh? Who tell you to thief out me money? Ask for things, do not take it.
Lick him, mommy.
Me give it to you. I see how you go on road, go thief people things. 10, come here. 10. What make you take out the money? The one money when me have to buy the pound of chicken back and the rice to cook uno. So who put in your pocket? Who put in your pocket? Who put in your pocket? Come here. Who put in your pocket? Eh? Who put in your pocket?
How I go on pan with that, sir? So one man look like him a beating daughter, or I don't know if I'm picking her. Yo, drive over them when I talk. I don't like this, man. The girl look good to you, know.
Beat him, mommy.
Who put in your pocket? Who put in your pocket? Who put in your pocket? Eh?
Thief,
Who put in your
mommy, money.
Give me that. Who put in your pocket? You who?
Just get your car.
You see you, lick out to you. Top front teeth. Top front teeth.
Lick him. Stand up there, sir. Stand up there, sir. Yes, mommy. Lick him, mommy.
You feel here.
Lick him.
You feel here.
Lick him.
You feel here. You're mad.
Hold on.
You want that? Hey. You got girl.
I want one of them.
The little girl thief out me $1,000 out of my bag.
Take mommy money.
Where you say one?
Me $1,000, the $1,000 when me have to take it by chicken back and rice, give them for dinner. Cause their father gone left them for me.
But me, calm down, man. Calm down. Hush, girl.
What you mean, sir, tell me if you calm down? Me don't have no more.
Don't worry yourself, man.
You take me 1 month.
Me want me money from him.
What much cent take?
$1,000 and me want it.
This is $1,000 when you take. And by yourself.
How more you give me, sir?
Yeah, man.
I first from me band, one man give me so much money. How much money you give me?
Don't worry yourself, man.
Not give him nothing, mom.
What?
Listen.
Calm down, mommy.
$10,000.
Calm down.
Sit on one side and give me pay.
Can I talk to your daughter for a minute?
Why, sir?
No more ask her she really take the money.
You with team,
Do I-
man.
Shut up, little girl. Do I know you?
I'm Curious King. I'm the one here on the radio all the while.
Are you?
Yeah.
Backside. Nice meeting you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you. Me glad to meet you.
Yeah,
You're a
man.
very nice man. I always hear your voice on the radio, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, me glad to see you. Go sit on one side. Nobody not talk to you if you have manners.
Hush, young one, because I'm down this time I see some kick or something I give. I mean, I think it's natural though, but you don't know. You alright, mommy?
God bless you for the. God bless you for the 10 grand we you give.
Yeah, that's just some change, man. I choose me just come out from the room and have no money pan, but you don't know.
Thank you very much.
Where you girls live?
You know, say, we live down on the road, down the sun, ground the corner. I kind of don't remember where the address name, because I just moved from there. You know, I rent one place.
Go
down
in the
there, so.
car, We're going
And where you carry go, sir? Because we
But-
can't go with people, you know.
I'm going to drop you down one of them, man.
You carry, then
You
look how we
carry
place,
no
sir.
one.
You carry poor people there, you carry.
Yeah, man, we're going to box
Then they
man.
kind of carry them and never go in there yet, me afraid.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
You're running with the king.
Alright. So nothing now go do it.
Alright. Young man, get in the car. Come on this side. Come on this side. Come fast.
Alright. Curious King. Okay, it's Curious King. See me here on the radio. Me live right here, so sir. Right here, so you can come in, man. You can come in. Yes. Come. You don't have to take off your shoes, you know. Come on. You can come inside, you know. You don't have to take off your shoes. Have a seat over there, sir. Curious King over there, so you have to sit down a year see that for the day. Alright.
Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to ensure that you guys have... How much money does it take to run the household on a weekly basis?
Shut up, I'm have no man. This opinion no man as though $15,000 curious.
Alright, so what I'm
Have
going to
manners.
do, I'm going to ensure I send you girls at least 20,000 per week. And so you can help on yourself and try elevate yourself. The rent house thing not going to work, so soon as I go back on tour again, I'll put that in mind so I can either buy on a place to stay for yourself, for not paying rent. And maybe start to do a little shop for now and community look help on yourself. You know what I mean? Because I remember days when nothing never there go on for me, you know what I mean? Before me start the music and everybody turn them back for me, all I did need a little help. So I'm gonna see if I can help you girls. You know what I mean? And you have some nice kids here, so I think you should try not beating them so much, because I know this pressure of life would make you do crazy stuff.
Curious King.
Yeah.
My story is so long. It's like a book. You can't tell you everything, but me I go tell you some. These two children that you see me with on the street, reason why I beat them, I suffer a lot in real life without father. I am a single parent. I have no one to help me, so it's like he's just sent. So thank God I met you, and I wish I could meet you even earlier. But all these things that you tell me that you're going to do for me right now, I swear to God, I give thanks and I thank you very much because I never book anyone on this earth like you. You're a very kind man. You're a very, very kind man. Anyway, Curious King, you know you look nice. You look very nice, you know. You know, say, friend, you come up there so when I beat my daughter, I mean, they look on you still, but true, me I pay attention to she, me don't want you to see me, you know. You look nice, very nice.
Thanks.
You're married?
No, I'm not.
You're not married?
No, I'm single.
Then such a rich man like you, such a kind, loving man, no married, then you have no girlfriend, no dad.
Oh, when it comes to that now, I'm single. Well, now I come back to Jamaica, I think that time enough me get a wife. You know what I mean?
You want a wife?
Want a young girl, want a young enough girl where we can bear some kids from it. Because you know, the kids them is really important.
And 2 kids alone, me have more than like 6 more. You don't want to be your wife?
No, I'm not into like whole female me in like just young my age group.
So Curious King. And what you tell me, say? Me an old woman for you?
Well, you're a very attractive big lady, you know what I mean? And no insult or anything, you know what I mean? But what I'm looking for is a young female that no have no child and like that as yet, you know what I mean? So I could start something fresh. Because me myself now have no youth yet. Some of them want to be, you know, just mutual nonsense.
None of me 2 daughters them don't have no youth yet neither.
The one where they have beat, where they said stole the money, I don't know if she's a thief, but she don't look that way to me.
You like that one there?
I like
No,
that one.
I mean that.
Little girl sit down and shut up your mouth when you hear big people like that. So, what you say to me? You like my big daughter?
Yes, I do like your big daughter. You know what I mean? You're a very beautiful woman, that's the same, you know what I mean? But I like the big daughter here.
Well, you know, say for all what you do for me and my children them, right away me that give you my daughter.
But I don't want to do it that way. I would like to know that she like me. You know what I mean?
No, he like you. He like you. He like you.
So, what I will do though, when I leave my number, you can give me a call and tell me, you know, we take it from there. But either, if she don't like me or anything, everything is good because there's a lot of women in the world that would like to be with me. But I'm going to leave the option open, you know what I mean? So if she get to me, maybe we can go somewhere and talk about it. But either way, that you guys will be safe. You know what I mean? I'm going to interest in some fun. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So, what I do now, I have to go up on the road. I got to go to the studio now. I got some dub session to do. Because this is how the music industry is. But, don't beat her anymore.
You not beat her no more.
You know what I mean? Give the youths them love, you know what I mean? Because this is what they need in this time. By the game play, so I don't really want to rush things. I only want to know, say, anybody will choose like me. You know what I mean? Anybody that choose like me, say if they don't like me, it's okay, I'm good. So I don't want,
Shut your mouth.
so you know.
You're not getting me saying like that one day. Anyway, I'm my favorite daughter this. She's a very nice girl. You can get that one here.
Only if, well, I don't want to rush and nobody force somebody on me. Only if the person like me, I will take it from there.
You have man rasta.
Hello.
Hello,
Curious.
so
Hello, have manners. Nobody not talking to you. Sit down.
Your best daughter no. Your best daughter
Stay
no.
one
Let
place.
her rasta everything.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up.
I'm dealing with your mom.
Right. It's a pity and no manners.
Please, ready.
Anyway, nice meeting you, sir.
Same
It's
way,
my pleasure meeting you. I'm glad to meet you, you know, because I don't know what would I do when they suffer with you. God bless you. And you go talk to me that about you. You write down your number and put it down there already.
Yeah, man, I get to do before I leave.
Okay, alright. Have manners, child.
Look, one body, I think you need to take her up in hand. You know what I mean? Because when people is talking, I don't like see look up at them are too fresh.
She don't have no manners.
You know what I mean? So, apart from that, you have some nice kids.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, but that one does throw me off a little bit. But it's okay though, I know that some of them, when them born, their head not so good. I know you're a fat man. So not really blame myself and yourself so much about it. Just pray to God. But anyway, I need to go on the road. I need to go do some dub session. You know what I mean? So
So you're going to leave now?
So I'm gonna leave now,
Yeah.
and either whatever the result is, you guys will be taken care of. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I don't feel for money. I work hard for it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So
Let me walk you outside.
Alright, that's good. You'll lead after.
Alright, thank you very much.
You girls have a nice night now. I'm gonna send you something nice. Here, Browning. You, I don't know what I'll give you. You know the manners.
You want nothing.
Get up and go over there for food. Oi, you just kiss a tita for me. You need to have manners. Have manners. You don't have no manners. Don't fool you when me talking to you, man. Go on over there so go sit down. You can outside and know what. Boy, my daughter. You alright? Huh?
Yes, mommy.
Alright. I'm going to talk to you about the gentleman who come in here. I will not do. When he come? Remember when he come? A while ago. See then? You make glad me to meet you. And since 19 come, actually I talk. Anyway. He named Curious King. And did you when he tell me?
Yes, mommy.
He give me a number. And he's a very nice man. He rich. He have money. And he might go help you out of sufferation. He already start help with you. You see him give me $10,000 already? And he might go help with you house and kind of sit me and start support you for life. And then the man them want you figure. Then the man they are good man, ambitious man, money man. When you're there with them, the man there, you don't have to walk on them. If you get pregnant for him, you don't have to fret out, pick me and go mine, and me not have this and me not have that. He can afford it. So listen to me now, my daughter. You love him daughter and you know say I love you already. You need to talk to him. And him no want you to deal with. Marry him too. And make him give you a lot of children because I need so many grandchildren to come up in life so I can give them many kisses. You understand?
Yes,
And
mommy.
remember say, you have to take care of we. Is you is the breadwinner. See God bless one man come. Right come bless you. On the road. Eh? Who could it be? Nobody but Jesus. Girl, married him. Me going to make a talk to him on the phone because he tell me say you ain't like.
But mommy, you love Trevor.
Don't talk about that boy. That boy. You see that boy there, Jai son? Broke if you go there with him, your life gone straight down to poverty. Me say, listen to me, I know you are choose yourself now, you know. And me they choose for you. And when me choose you, you need to look into it and see say I no lie me they tell. You can't they suffer and go pick up sufferer. You be dead, and me no want you feel dead. You know say me love you already. Sit down and think about it. And of course me of course if you dead with me no my daughter, but a good me want for you. Best me want for you. Me they look for the best you out of life. Trevor, me nah nothing for you. Them the boy they have nothing for you. What this boy them, they nah work. Go to school and waste them parents' money. And one on job. Listen, think about it. Curious king, ambitious man. Then the man they know why you to talk to. They tell you already and they tell you again. Think about it. And nobody go on like no fool, you know, because I don't know how no young girl say so, you know. You know, rather take up the poor man them we cannot help, you know, and the one them we can help, you know they put them one side. Which man, from you understand yourself, you ever seek your money come give your mother? You know, sister, we dead for hungry. And that this man come out of the blues, come save we. Girl, think about it. You know, say me love you already. You feel want a lot of grandchildren. You feel make him have a lot of children with you. And when you married, he give me a number. So me I go call him and make you talk to him. You hear? And if he asks you, listen to me. You see, if he asks if you married him, nobody say no. What me say?
I'm not to say no.
Tell him yes. Mommy say a man like you if you married, ambitious man. You hear what me say?
Yes, mommy.
Then the man there, when you're them there, you not suffer. If you get you pregnant, you don't have to worry yourself. You pick me alright, you go live comfortable alright. You know, the man say I'm going to help you. And he start help you already. One more you want. Dirty food Trevor. Catch you back with him, you will see. What you think about Curious King? You not like him?
You don't know him.
You not know him, but you see him. Don't think come away yard. Don't just hear when him a talk to you. Little girl, think twice. Not take up no little dirty poor boy, you will suffer. You know see your time hard?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. And you know say you're a nice girl already. You call you sexy. Then the man they will buy anything here. Pretty clothes, anything to make you look nice. You think say Joyce boy can buy that you? No matter with you again, a matter of fact. You see anytime me talk to you about Curious King, don't mention Joyce boy name to me again. Cause not even the name of him me not like here. Call his name back to me again. They look on me. They look on me. Bring you know dirty foot, cheap boy, we poor and nothing to help me and you wish what. And that me send you to school for? Eh? Me send you to school to go take up lower than you? Yeah, you have to have ambition. Have ambition! A Curious King me like. He is going to be my son-in-law, whether you like it or not.
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, remember say me I'm gonna make you talk to him. Not now, but when me call him, me will make you talk to him. Think about it.
Yes,
When me come back, me want an answer. No, but I think about Joyce boy again.
Yes,
You hear me say?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
Alright, bro.
Good morning.
So,
Tired. But last night was amazing. I'm going to tell you so rest.
alright, so your mother this year. Alright, so I'll check you later.
I'll call you. How about sister? You alright? Where you do that for? Can't bother you, man. Mommy,
What happened right now?
me just a come. I should put her foot out that way for me drop.
Why you always behave like that?
Before the inner way, you step over.
I'm your bigger sister and you always be a certain type of way. You need to behave yourself and respect your bigger sister.
Since when? I get licky. How do you?
Listen to me, man.
When you perform, they are sorry.
You respect elderly people. That's why some of them not live long.
Come in about up to that, man. Good morning. Let's say alright.
And your mother and your father so that your business may belong. So what?
No, me are going
Alright.
to sleep. Yes, mommy, I'm tired.
Look, man.
Cheers, give me something to give you.
Your son-in-law send me money.
Yeah. So you want to leave?
What a nice man.
Licky.
Very nice man.
I'm going to take me.
At least he take me out of poverty.
Alright. I'm going to sleep.
I'm making come up here, so. I come here, come to money to you. You love money too much. You love money too much. And you feel stuck there in something there. And your bigger sister.
When I return, I'm going to you love money too.
They speak me Popo Lily.
Go on, licky now.
Lily. They speak me Popo Lily. Remember me tell you, you feel have manners. Have manners. And I scare through the road, a little out hard and over. I know, you want a little girl. Get up, manners. Get up before me take your hand. Get up. Come go inside. And manners, they come long up your motor for me like me outside. In time you're ready if you start take man look one like you want to have to parents send you in here. Bright. Water.
Bishop, come out yet, come coffee. Look on this before me, 97? Hey! What much I get? We'll get my head coming. Everything will come out? So let me see it now. He not come out yet.
Now one come 97.
Just show me I get 100. How he not come out yet.
Yeah, I see.
Tell me say get no watch.
How much I get?
Listen, you're a teacher and you come out yet.
Now it's a call me. Hey, honest Joyce. Okay. Hello? Yes. I lie. Result come out and your son get 94. That sound good too. That mean he when they do good in a school then, man. Result come out. But you know, say the internet slow. Cause my two daughter them out there so pan for them laptop, you know. They wait pan for them result for come in. But you know the internet slow, man. It go down and it come up. So me I wait a little bit more. Congrats to your son, ma'am. Alright. When the result come in, we will make you know how much my daughter them get to. Yes. Alright, they come on. Check up on them to see if they're going to help you. Alright. Result coming?
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
Him not coming in yet.
Oh, you're not coming in.
Now one come in.
Fear one coming?
Yes, mommy.
So you're not coming in.
97.
Let me see it. Okay, 97. Alright, good. Next time 100 you forget.
Yes,
See what I say?
Yes, mommy.
100 you forget. That good. You need to do better.
Him not coming in.
Mommy, fear result come in. Me hear when he come in. But she don't want to show me. Come in, look, mommy.
Your result coming in?
Yeah, come in.
Your result coming in?
No, him not coming in yet.
You sure?
Him not coming in yet. See
Let
them.
me see where you
Yeah, they not coming in yet. We should-
Let go. Let it go. Let me see. 46.
Me and I with my homework I even tell me
What you
come in.
do at school?
He and I with the homework and he help add up the grades.
I play.
Mommy,
You
he
waste
not
so
help.
much time or what?
Mommy, not help with my homework.
She not help you?
He not help.
Why you not help her?
Challenge.
You don't know say you help your sister. Eh?
Mommy,
You have to help your sister.
No.
You want to see your sister turn good for nothing, girl.
she don't want no help, mommy.
What do you mean she don't want no help?
She don't ask.
You're supposed to help your sister. Girl, look up, girl. Go and get like you have your little sister. You're not help it. Why you not your sister? And you know what? No dinner for you tonight. You're not get nothing for eat. You're not get nothing for eat. Nothing for eat. You too. Hey.
I can't sleep on the ground, mommy. Can't sleep on the ground. No. No, I with my homework. So, mommy said I will get the ice cream and come to pass the test, mommy, please.
No.
Mommy, like how me get 97, me can get my ice cream, please.
I know that. Can't take it. Alright, you know, I'm going to sleep on the bed.
figured because you always call. Yes, I've collected them. But I was calling you, I wasn't getting them. Yes, I'm okay.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing one of the many things you bought. One of the romper.
Alright, so we just have to try touching and making notes and alright. You know what I mean? And everything good, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, so I will call you back as soon as we say the one can know, so I want to just say that as soon as I set it down, I'll call you back, okay?
Okay then, no problem.
Alright.
Changes. Happy.
But outside. Yeah. Right before your mother. Banana chips here. The ice cream coming over holiday today. So you're going with,
No, so I'm glad to see you come.
yeah?
We want to talk to your father there.
What no?
Things kinda change up and we can't go continue this.
What do you mean I can't continue this? What I talk about?
We meet somebody.
I don't like saying I'm gonna be broke forever. I'm in love you. I really don't want to take your friend this, take your friend, your wicked mother and sister and carry her go somewhere nice, go live near you and go get some start with family. And you really say this to me?
Trevor, we can't be selfish. We have to do this for Susie and mommy because at the end of the day, we have to help them out. We have suffered too long.
So this make you happy?
No, but I just lost good guy.
Yes. Me just reach home, see her right here, so I'll give her the phone and make it talk to her. Here? Alright. 10.
Yes, mommy?
You know, secure step on the phone, I call your phone.
No, mommy, phone signal I pick up all the while anyway, so.
You know how long the man that call you and can't get you? See him up on the phone, you want to talk to him.
Alright, mommy.
Alright.
Babes. Because I signal, man. Alright. What you say? We are travel? When not soon as next week? That sounds good. Alright then, babes. Make a call you tomorrow. Is that okay? Alright.
Hey, Uncle Juice.
Okay, juice, what kind?
Some blended food boy to make.
So all of a sudden you just give me juice.
Yeah, no, just I want some more tea, so I want wrong with it.
Okay. Alright then. Yes, good man.
Stop tempting the pass leave a more time to her. Come. 10. 10. Want to talk to you. Go on land there. 10. 10. 10. Ten. 10. 10. I want to 10. How you do to her?
You see she dead, my pie is now. I mean, you did a curious key.
You kill my daughter. Yeah, sit down like this. Sit down. You kill 10, your sister.
Let me
Come let me get rich. Kill my daughter 10. My daughter went to make me get rich. This a 10. Yes.
Susie.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I want to know. Oh, oh, God. Oh, Jesus. I want to know. Oh, God, help me. Oh God, Jesus help me. I will never do no. My daughter so sick.